Has your roof recently endured the wrath of a storm? Dealing with storm damage can be challenging, but we're here to help. In this video, we will guide you through the 11 essential steps to file a storm damage roof insurance claim and get your roof restored. Start by finding a reputable, local, and licensed roofing contractor. They will inspect and document the storm damage, using high-tech tools like iRoofing software to streamline the claims process. If necessary, they can make temporary repairs to prevent further damage. Be sure to save the receipts for reimbursement by your insurance company. Notify your insurance company about the damage as soon as possible, and schedule a visit from the insurance adjuster. During the adjuster's visit, take notes and ask questions about coverage, claim processing time, and estimates for repairs. Collaborate with your contractor to ensure all damage is documented properly. The insurance company will provide a repair estimate and the funds necessary for the roof restoration. Your contractor will then complete the restoration according to the agreed-upon schedule. The payment process usually involves the contractor being paid once the work is completed. If you have a mortgage, the insurance settlement check will be co-endorsed by your lender. Your contractor may invoice your insurer for any additional funds owed for extra work completed. Your mortgage company may conduct a final inspection to ensure satisfaction. In summary, dealing with storm damage to your roof can be stressful, but following these steps will help you navigate the process smoothly. Trust high-tech roofing pros using iRoofing software to save you time and money during this challenging time. Stay protected with homeowners insurance and restore your storm-damaged roof with the expertise of a licensed roofing contractor. Don't delay. Take action to get your roof back to its best condition.